What's up guys, it's Chris Appleton, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by Charly Jordan, aka Ariana Grande, and we created this iconic Ariana Grande inspired ponytail. Here's how we did it. All right Charly, you ready for this?
Yes, I'm so excited.
I only really need one more answer from you, which is whether you want to be a brunette or a blonde.
She's nice, but she's also nice.
I say go for this one because it's dramatic.
Exactly. I've wanted to go brunette. Everybody always asks what I would look like brunette, so
let's not be safe, let's do.
Brunette's so sexy. It's like dark and mysterious.
I feel like it will be a bit more shock factor as well.
This is such an iconic look. I'm so excited.
I know, let's get started. I'm gonna blow dry your hair out a little bit. I mean, obviously your hair's naturally curly, which is amazing. We should definitely do a tutorial with your curly hair.
It's so bad, I just want to talk exactly like you. I keep almost
what, my
talking
accent?
In an accent.
My British accent?
Yes, I love it.
You should try, can you do a British accent?
I can't do a British accent.
Try.
Try.
You okay, that was good. Say, are you alright, mate?
You alright, mate? You can't do an American?
Nah.
Oh, come on, you just made me do it. I sound crazy.
Alright, tell me what to say.
Say, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Do you ever blow dry your hair out? Anyway, Charly, you know.
Yeah. I'm professional at doing the blowout. That's why I'm so jacked.
Oh, that's why you're so jacked. I was wondering when I was like, why is she so jacked?
Everyone's like,
because of the blow dry. Let's blow dry. Have you told anyone you're doing this?
Nope.
Good. Wait, have you ever had like a crazy experience where you ever had like a Monica from Friends situation where your hair's just grown? Before you guys saw this, we were sitting down and we was waiting around for like volume and stuff. And I could see her hair growing a little bit as it was drying. I could see you like...
I love that you referenced that so much.
She kept wetting it with water.
Because I am Monica from Friends. Every time I go anywhere humid, it was just really funny because I'd have my extensions, like these white girl hair extensions.
Oh
that were,
yeah, because they're straight.
Super straight, and I'd be like mid-shooting and you would just see like, all of a sudden I have two different hair textures. The top half of my hair would be curly and then the bottom half was like stick straight. Literally 3 days ago when I got these extensions out, I went home and my hair was curly and I was like, I don't like it. And I was just like, how do I make this better? So I took some scissors and I literally...
Wait, why do girls do that? They always, when they want to change, cut bangs, and literally not one person I've ever met has kept them for more than a week. And then they literally spend their whole life growing them out.
Like, look at this!
Pretty sure. It's not even that one, it's this one. It's this one for me.
It's...
I mean, listen, it's
oh
fine.
my God, I didn't even see it. I'm just being exposed.
Oh, so what's the worst hairstyle you've ever had?
Well, the worst experience I've ever had, I went in and I was like, I want to go platinum. I told her, I was like, my hair's really curly, it's gonna bleach really fast.
I bet she was like, yeah, it's fine.
She's like, yeah, no, I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this. And you know, it's like 40 minutes and I kind of looked at her, I was like, my head burns. I was like, can I get this washed out? And we're in the sink, she's taking off the foils and I like see hair in the foils.
Oh, wow.
Which was like, I know that's not supposed to happen. So yeah, we don't do that again. We also don't put Kool-Aid in our hair.
Kool-Aid?
Huge mistake. Yeah.
What's that?
Remember when people were dipping the ends of their hair in Kool-Aid?
I don't know, I'm English, so I don't know what Kool-Aid is. What's Kool-Aid?
Oh my gosh, I forgot. It's like this red punch, but it dyes like your hair as well. So there was this trend where you would boil Kool-Aid and you dip the ends of your hair in it. And I did it. So I had red ass Kool-Aid hair all over my head for like a year.
Wow, all right.
What's like the most difficult hair you've had to do?
I don't know how difficult, but you learn stuff, don't you? So for example, today, I'm gonna spray your hair dark and we'll color it in with powder. But once I was doing Katy Perry for the Met Ball and she had like this beehive on her head. So her hair was all up and like, you know those big donuts? Like, so basically her hair was like wrapped around that. But my assistant only brought blonde one and she had black hair. So I was like thinking like you always do. And I was like, I know, I'll use a spray and I'll spray it black, cool. So I sprayed the donut black, put it on, did her hair, looked really cool. So I walked off and as I walked off, I looked at my hands and I was like, oh wow, my hands are black. And then I looked at my face in the mirror and I was like, oh wow, I've got black like marks all over my face. And then I looked at her and she'd just like finished having makeup done and there was like all these like black soot marks. Like she'd looked like she'd been chimney sweeping. But I learned then never to use the sprays and always use the powders because they don't move. All right, let's get this snatched. So, right, the most important thing for when you're snatching someone's hair up, if you're gonna do this, guys, at home, what you wanna do, secret to an amazing snatch is to make sure you follow the cheekbone. So from the cheekbone, you wanna go straight up. That's exactly where your ponytail should sit. If you go any lower, Honestly, it just looks a bit sad. What happens when it's low is I don't know, I think it looks quite serious and, you know, yeah, it's like, It's like, I'm having a day. Charlie.
Yes.
First of all, I'm telling you how a bungee cord. Second of all, tell me about your life. This place is crazy. How long have you lived there for? And like, what's it like being in this kind of house where everyone's always creating content and...
So I have a place in Sherman Oaks and I come here to film and shoot. You know, my boyfriend lives here and this is like his little project.
Who's your boyfriend?
Taylor Holder.
I know your boyfriend.
He's the best, but it's really cool because obviously during quarantine, everything's been shut down and these like content houses have become such a united place for people to come and shoot and still interact and film and do stuff like this, exactly what we're doing right now.
But can you ever chill? Like, do you feel like you're always on?
Because I have my own place, I can go home and chill, but I lived in a different content house called the Clubhouse. And I was there for 3 months, and after 3 months, I was like, I gotta go. I can't do this because it's just filming, shooting all the time. Okay, so the ponytail, the iconic Ariana ponytail. Were you the first person to do that on her, or is that something that she already liked doing?
No, I feel like Ariana's had like a ponytail, like it's obviously very iconic, and I think she looks amazing with it, and she's done such a good job of like reinventing it. But I love how she always changes it up, and it's always something different. That's what I'm all about, change. This is gonna be dance proof. This is not going anywhere. You can do all your TikToks. I'm telling you now, a ponytail of mine is never gonna fall off.
This is so heavy.
I know, get ready.
Ariana's scalp must be top notch. Oh my God, my hair's brown.
It would never. It's gonna get darker.
Holy shit.
Oh, this is the stuff, this is the powder I was talking about, so this doesn't move.
This is the man that does Ariana Grande's ponytail and he's doing it on me right now. I'm so excited.
Oh my God, babe.
He wants them done right.
Need to, what is this?
Stop.
This is the worst thing you ever
Stop.
did. Guys, don't do this at home. If you want to have bangs, clip them in. Like,
we are
3/4.
85% done. I'm brunette and I feel really sassy.
Okay, ponytail's on. You ready? There's a big reveal. Listen, you look hot, but I feel like we need to finish this whole look off. You've got the makeup, right?
I've got the makeup. We're gonna do a full transition switch, so.
Let's go.
All right, guys, this is the final look. I got changed.
Charlie, you ready?
And everything is done. Yes, I'm ready. I'm coming right now.
Oh, wow. Check you out.
Guys.
Boom.
Who is she? Ariana who?
Wait, how do you feel?
This isn't even me. This is all him.
You feel iconic?
I feel iconic and sassy all at the same time.
All right,
I'm trying to hit people with this.
Your outfit's spot on.
Well, thank you so
Hair
much.
by Chris Appleton, makeup by Charly Jordan.
Yes.
Dream team.
The most iconic duo.
I feel like we should show everyone. Should we do like a surprise reveal?
Yes, let me go get everyone.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, guys. Charlie texted me this morning. She said she wanted a bit of a change, so we just spent the last couple of hours changing it up. You guys ready to see the big reveal?
Yes.
All right, Charlie. Let's see you.
I look like Ariana Grande.
She's. Holy shit!
I love it brown.
Do you like it brown?
I love it.
So good.
Wait. No. This is the true question. This is what I was asking. Because I'm always like, Taylor, should I dye my hair brown? He's like, nah, I like it blonde. Which one do you like better?
I think you look amazing both ways.
That's the best
There you
answer.
go.
Say it.
I was hoping it
Mate,
was
come
the
on,
trick question.
that's a good boyfriend.
That's a good
Well, we have a lot more videos to film, so I'll see you next time.
And hopefully when you wash it, it'll go back blonde.
Hopefully not. Hopefully I can just wear this for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, you should keep it in.
Give me one of these, Charlie.
Oh, he's like, that's not going anywhere. You right?
Charlie, thanks for being my model.
Of course. Thank you for having
your
me,
best
making me look
ponytail
snatched.
life.
Yes.
Make sure you guys subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.